We are primarily a cooking studio. We teach workshops. Our typical clientele are tourists. They mostly want to learn what they've been eating while they've been here.
They started with food workshops, but it evolved into something so much more.
Since the war started, we have been cooking for soldiers, reservist families, displaced people, anyone essentially affected. We sent out about 100,000 meals.
100,000 meals?
Probably more at this point. So together with another chef we work with in Boulogne, we were like, let's start cooking. So many people were getting called up. A bunch of people showed up to volunteer. We were just sending people out. Go buy 30 kilos of chicken. Go buy 10 heads of cabbage. Carry it back. Bring us a receipt. We'll figure out how to get you reimbursed. But that first month, we probably made about 50,000 meals.
It's so important that Citizens Kitchen,
A volunteer effort of Citrus and Salt. It's here 15 months later.
Israel is beautiful.